Hi folks, Scientist Andrew at the Kentucky Science Center here for another Do Science at Home segment, and today I'm going to show you some experiments you can do with Pyrex. I imagine a bunch of you have Pyrex dishes at home, so here is a fun experiment that requires Pyrex, a container of water, and some dry erase markers. I'm going to start with this dark blue and just draw a nice big blue disc onto this, directly onto the Pyrex container. I'm going to use lots and lots of ink. It has been our experience that when doing this experiment, the dark colored inks tend to work a little bit better. I want you guys to try this yourselves and let us know how it goes. You can try other different shapes and designs and stuff like that. So I've drawn a nice big blue disc here on the Pyrex. And what I'm demonstrating is that DryErase ink contains polymers, contains resins and polymers. This is what makes it dry erase. It's actually not quite sticking completely to the Pyrex surface. It's what makes whiteboards easy to clean, easy to wipe off. It stays a little wet and it doesn't quite stick perfectly. You can try a bunch of different surfaces and see what works for this experiment. Do be careful, don't get dry erase markers on your clothes. It'll soak right in and stain because it won't repel the same way it does off of a glass or ceramic surface. So what I'm going to try now is to carefully pour the water onto this dish, and what I'm going to try to do is get those water molecules between the ink and the Pyrex, and it looks like it's working. And as I pour, there we go, it lifts up and you have your design floating on the surface of the water. And you, like I said, you can try different designs. You can make little stick figures dance around. You can see what shapes and colors work better. But I have basically pulled the ink completely off of the Pyrex and I've drawn on the surface of the water. You probably don't have a lot of Pyrex glassware or labware at your house, but if you do, here's another cool sort of bonus activity, that Pyrex has the same refractive index as oil. So if you put, which means that the light bounces off of the Pyrex and the oil the same way. So if you have a test tube and a Pyrex container and you fill them both with oil, they will essentially disappear in the oil. So it's like a little invisibility cloak or something for that test tube. You can see it very, very faintly, but that is a fun little bonus experiment you can try if you've got some Pyrex at the house. Let us know how it goes. Drop us a line, respond to this, and we look forward to hearing from you.